Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create channel on WhatsApp. So the first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. As you can see, you can only create group or broadcast from here. So what you do instead is tap on updates, and once you tap on update, you see these channels, the other channels you're following. So you now tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you can see create channel. Tap on create channel. So you can create channels to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel if your channels are public. You can also see 30 days of history. People can see your channel, not you. Followers cannot see your phone number, profile picture, or name, but other admins can. You are also responsible for your channel, so you need to follow guidelines. So you tap on continue. So when you get to this page, next thing you put in a picture for your channel icon. You can take from your camera, gallery, emoji, and sticker, or you can search the web, put in your channel name, and then describe your channel. This is important because your followers need a description of what the channel is about, and once you're trained, tap on create channel. It is as simple as that.